Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to disable or delete a list of recently opened documents in Word or Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. This information will be useful if other people are using your computer and you don't want them to know which files you are working with. In the Microsoft Word or Excel window, click on the File tab. As you can see, here are several Excel files that I worked with earlier. To prevent this information from being reflected here, select the Options button in the lower left corner of the screen. Next, click Advanced and scroll down where we find the Display section. In this section, find the option Show these numbers of recent workbooks and reduce this number to 0. Click OK, checking it out, and now the list of recently opened documents will always be empty. It's all, now you know a little more, thanks for watching.